Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. My name is Jonathan, and welcome to the Pool's Amphitheater for High Flyers. Thank you very much. Now, that bird up there, that is one of our show's high flyer, and he's doing his afternoon exercise. He's going to make a very low flight above your head. Whoa, here he comes. Very low. Thank you, Baba. Thank you. Now, macaws, they congregate around palm leaves to feast on palm nuts. Now, can any of you spot any palm leaves anywhere? Look up there, everyone. That's a really cute palm leaf. And with this, let's welcome our birds. Up there, everyone. Whoa, our first bird. Now, this is Gaia, our highest seed macaw. And joining him will be two more of his friends coming out. Wow. Ferrari and Lambo. Our beautiful scarlet macaws. Now, after they've consumed their fruits or nuts, they would fly to rocky surfaces just like this. And they will lick up clay or chalk. This would help them in their digestion of unripe fruits or nuts that they have eaten. Wow, it seems that Gaia is still enjoying his food up there, but not to worry, this would definitely be his next stop. Now, parrots collect fruits to their nesting sites, especially during their breeding season. And we're going to have a little competition this afternoon between these two to see who is faster at collecting fruits. Now, from the center, to my right, all of you support Barry, our green-winged macaw. I want all of you to change his name like this. Barry, Barry, Barry. Stop. Very good. And from the center, to my left, all of you do the same for Cocky, our scarlet macaw. Let's do this together. 1, 2, 3, go. Cocky. All right, very good. Now birds to the table. Now with me I have a huge hollow tree trunk. And we have 4 fruits on each side. Now supporters cheer louder for your birds. Ready, go! It's just a warm-up, so what do you want? He wants one more match. Do all of you want one more match? Yes, so sleepy. Now, do all of you want one more match? Yes, one more match it shall be. Birds to the table. Yes, you and even birds deserve a second chance. 4 more fruits for you. Now, Cocky supporters cheer louder for your birds. Ready, go! The winner is still Barry! Hey, Cocky, don't be upset. Now, Saad, any more warm-up for you? More practice, huh? But I think both birds deserve a louder round of applause. Barry and Cocky, everyone. Now, here in Jurong Bird Park, we provide fun-filled activities for our birds today. This is known as enrichment. Now, if you look up there, right in the center, that's my friend Mr. Swayshi, and he is holding on to an enrichment device that is known as a monkey fist. It is actually made up of a rope tied into a knot, and we have hidden treats in store for the birds within those knots. Now, looks like our volunteer is ready. Everyone, keep your eyes on that nest box. Whoa! And joining in will be 2 more of his friends coming out. Yes, you got to slide to your friend up there. Nice. Now, ladies and gentlemen, these are Sancornias, and they can be found throughout the coastal regions of South America. Now, not only is Jurong Bird Park very active in conservation, we also get school kids involved. Yes, that nest box back there, that was made by students from Green Ridge Primary School in commemoration of Earth Day. Now, we need 2 more volunteers. Get the trainer's attention. Now, chickens nest in hollows of trees every morning. Both the male and the female will leave the nest in search for food for their young. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we will be introducing to you Toko toucans. And they are the largest in the toucan family. Easily identifiable from their large, brightly colored bills. And one look at them, they look like hornbills, but they are not. Okay, looks like our first volunteer is ready. Everyone keep your eyes on that hut and let's welcome our Toko toucans. Yes, they'll be making their way out short. Oh, here they are. We have Mr. and Mrs. Hart, husband and wife team. Now the Toko toucans getting a very low flight. So our second volunteer, everyone, especially the cameraman and camerawoman, please remain seated, right? Okay, now Mr. and Mrs. Hart, would you like to fly to our second volunteer? Oh, there goes Mr. Hart and Mrs. Hart. Now, to demonstrate how maneuverable and agile they are, my friend Mr. Sa'an is going to toss the fruit up in the air. Everyone, get your cameras and video cameras ready. And trust me, this is going to be very fast. Let's start with Mr. Horn first. Whoa! And how about you, Mrs. Horn? Wow! Great catch. Now, experts have estimated that 130 species of flora and fauna are disappearing every day in the wild. So, ladies and gentlemen, do your part for conservation so that our future generations can admire these beautiful birds in the wild. Now, Mr. and Mrs. Swan, they are both very loyal to one another. When one goes, the other will follow. Hello. Very nice. Now, he has a name. Can you tell everyone what's your name? Amigo. Amigo. One more time, what's your name? Amigo. Amigo. Now, Amigo is a very friendly bird. Amigo, how would you like to greet all these nice people? How are you? How are you? So how are you feeling this afternoon? Good? Good to hear that. Now, Amigo is also a very smart bird. Now, Amigo, can you count 1 to 10 in English? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. Very good. Now let's try something more challenging, shall we? Amigo, can you count 1 to 10 in Chinese? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Very good. Now he's also into singing. He knows how to sing 3 different songs in 3 different languages. Now the first song is going to be a local Mandarin song that's entitled Current Light. It simply means when a guest comes to visit. Now, Amigo, can you please sing the song in Mandarin? Current light, hot, pop, 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 wood, light, yeah, wood, current, light, yeah, wow, good singing there. Now, the second song is going to be a Malay song. They're originated from Indonesia. It's a song titled Rasa Sayang. Rasa means feel, sayang means love. Feelings of love. A very romantic band. Now, Amigo, can you please sing the song Rasa Sayang? Rasa Sayang, Rasa Sayang, Hey, very chirpy song there. Now the last song is going to be a birthday song. Now before Amigo starts singing that song, today is the 18th of January. Is there anyone celebrating a birthday today? Please raise your hand. Okay, from this session, anybody celebrating a birthday today? Ooh, all the way up there. Okay, good. Got one gentleman over there. How about over here in the center? Anybody else? Okay, last but not least. Oh, all the way up there. Okay, okay, very good. Now to the few of you, Amigo, can you please sing for them? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yes. Now thank you very much for celebrating a birthday here in the Bird Park. Now Amigo has done a very good job. It's time for him to head back home. Before that, I want all of you to wave and say bye-bye, Amigo. Your turn. Bye-bye. round of applause for our talented yellow-named Amazon. Now, after hearing Amigo, you'll feel very tempted to purchase one, as now once a female wants to nest, they'll look for cavities in trees. If you look up there, that's a nest box. It's very similar to the one that we used to breed our hornbills here in the bird park. Now, Vicky's gonna make a very close appearance. Everyone in this section, please remain seated, alright? Alright, Vicky, it's time for you to check out that hut over there, Vicky. Off you go. So what will happen first is that the female will inspect the nest box to see whether she likes it. And if she does, she will enter. Oh, look at that. She's checking the nest box out. Now, Vicky, do you like the nest box? Still checking it out. In she goes. And once she is comfortable, she will use soil, regurgitated food, as well as her own droppings to seal the nest. So, Vicky, if you are ready, can you please seal the nest? Wow, that's very fast. Vicky, where are you? Hey, there she is. And with this, let's welcome Alfred, our male great white hornbill. Now, this is exactly what will happen in the wild. Now, the female, together with the youngs, will stay in the nest box for about 3 to 4 months. 3 to 4 months, while the male, just like Alfred, will feed his family. Now, here in the Jurong Bird Park, we are very successful in breeding these birds, especially the Oriental pied hornbills. Now, we bird experts at the Singapore National Park Board, we have successfully released these birds back in the park. So, ladies and gentlemen, keep your eyes wide open at our toucan and hornbill exhibit. Alright, Alfred? Yes, you're gonna make your way back home soon. Yes, now Alfred is about 5 years old and is right here in the bird park. Oh, here he comes. Very low. And he missed it. Not to worry. Alfred, one final flight down. Alfred, everyone.
Well done, Alfred. Second pair from India, the spot-tailed pelican. Oh, here we come. Next up, we have pelicans from Europe, Dalmatian pelicans, 4 of them. Here they come. Okay, that's 8 birds on stage. The next birds are from Africa as well. The lovely ladies in pink. We have 65 of them, the great flamingos.
Oh my God!
Very good. Now to make it about 80 birds, we have our beautiful macaws from South America, coming from up there and up there. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, about 80 birds on stage. Give them a big round of applause. And with that, we've come to the end of the High Fire show. Now, if you like to take pictures with our beautiful birds, do stay on, because we will be having our flamingo photography session right after the show. Photography is free, so all